Hello, my name is Kevin Brunson, and I'm a member of the Altru support team. This is part 1 in a two-part video series for identifying and merging duplicate constituent records. In this video, we'll configure Altru to run the duplicate search and show you how to report on potential duplicate constituent records. To begin with, there are two types of duplicate searches. There's the full search, which compares and identifies all possible duplicate constituent records in the database, and the incremental search, which checks records added or updated since the last duplicate search process was run. After running an initial full search, you can use the incremental search going forward to reduce processing time. We're also going to take a look at the Duplicate Constituents Report. This report lists records identified from the search process as potential duplicate records. When viewing the Duplicate Constituents Report, you select whether you want to view the results for the last full or incremental search process. So let's go ahead and get started. In Altru, we can begin on the home page, and we're going to go to Constituents. On the Constituents page, we're going to scroll down to the Duplicates option. On the Duplicates feature page, there are several options. There's the full duplicate search and the incremental duplicate search. Both searches are run the same way, so in this video, as an example, we're going to run the full duplicate search. To begin the full duplicate search process, we can select Start Process. Depending on the size of your database, this process may take some time. I'm running in a sample database which is pretty small, so we'll see that the process took 2 seconds and identified 6 potential duplicate records. To view those duplicate records, we can select the Duplicate Constituent Report from this page. We can also select the Duplicate Constituent Report from the main duplicate page. When the Duplicate Constituent Report opens, it's going to ask us which record source we want to use. This is saying, do we want to use the last full or incremental search process? In this case, we're going to select the full search process because that's what we run. To view the report, we can select View Report. The Duplicate Constituents Report will now preview. The Duplicate Constituents Report will list all potential duplicates that were found in the search process. In this case, we have Douglas P. Ziegler and Douglas Ziegler. We'll see that there's a slight name variation in that one has a middle initial and the other does not. We'll also see, looking at the address, that one is listed as Avenue and one is listed as Ave. It could be that these are duplicate records, or it could be that one is a junior and one is a senior. We won't know until we actually investigate and look at those constituent records. To do that, you can click on this link on the name and the constituent record will open. And you can further analyze those records to determine whether they are true duplicates. And you can repeat that process for the other potential duplicates found in the database on this report. So in this video, we looked at how to run the full or incremental search process, and we also looked at the Duplicate Constituent Report and discussed how we can analyze records to figure out if they truly are duplicates. In the next video, we'll look at actually merging multiple duplicate records at one time, as well as merging 2 individual duplicate records. For example, the Douglas P. Ziegler and Douglas Ziegler. Thank you.